Hey guys, let's see how to format the SD card for the GKU D1000. So you have two ways of doing it. Basically here on the camera itself, you come here to the menu, press the menu here, and the Wi-Fi is working right now, so the camera is connected, right? So you just need to press again to turn off the Wi-Fi. Hold it. It's going to turn it off. There we go. Then you press one more time to get into the menu. There we go. And then here you need to look for the option to format the SD card. So just going down, you see here close to the Wi-Fi, just here in the center have the option to format. And then you just need to come here, change to OK, and format the SD card. Okay, so pretty simple like this. I'm not going to format now. I'm just showing how to do it. And the second way is just come to your cell phone and do it from there. Okay, if you have already connection to the cell phone, the Wi-Fi, you can come from to this app, the GKU app, and connect to your cell phone, to your camera, and format the SD card. Basically here, to connect to the Wi-Fi, you just need to come to the Wi-Fi and find the camera's Wi-Fi. Just look for it. Wait for it to refresh. Well, Wi-Fi is disabled there. Okay, I need to enable Wi-Fi first. Let me just come back here. One more time. Just press the button here.
Stop recording.
It stops recording.
Start recording.
And Wi-Fi is on. Okay, I just press and hold for a while. It turns on the Wi-Fi. I have here the symbol that represents the Wi-Fi. Then just come back here to the camera, to the cell phone, and look for the signal. There we go, Wi-Fi. Then I can connect from here. If you have already connected, you don't need to do all those steps, right? But basically, I just want to show you how you can format from here. So you have the Wi-Fi already connected, and you use your app, you can come here. That's the easiest way. Just go to the camera settings and go down and gonna find here format, right? Just confirm. It's going to format your SD card. So it's pretty simple like this. Okay, pretty basic, and that's the way you can format the SD card for the GKU D1000. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.